Look at that. So we're just walking down the street, minding our own business, and then we bump into the Asakusa Panda Bus. What are you up to?
Beautiful. Oh man, that's crazy.
We are in Japan for 3 weeks. First week is with me and Katie, she's behind the camera. We got here yesterday and we were extremely tired. But it's funny that the city never really stops, so we got up super early because our sleeping schedule is absolutely fucked and we're going to get some breakfast. A week of tourism and then over 2 weeks of car shite. What you get?
Sandwich.
You try it.
I'll try it.
Do you like that there's no crust on it? It's like 5 o'clock again. We can't seem to sleep for some reason. Check out this older taxi. It's a Crown Comfort. Look at that little mini Delica. Speedy value, price high quality. She is happy. There's an Aqua that'll eventually end up in Ireland in a TikTok video on fire up in Dublin. The car doesn't even know it yet. We're staying right next to the tower. It's absolutely massive. My favourite thing is all the key trucks and how they're tiny, but they have what they need. He's got everything he needs in that little Samba for the day. So we're just wandering around, and then this is actually the funniest thing ever. It's like a Grand Theft Auto effect. Watch this. Just a sea of Pro Boxes. Every single one of them. Obviously because they use them for factories. This factory's called like Komori, but look at this. All down the street. Just the multiplication of Pro Boxes. And then here. Now I know this is really normal stuff for Japan, but like obviously I'm going to get excited by everything. Alphard. I miss the Alphard so much. I definitely look like a dipshit with a camera at this hour of the morning.
Hey guys, welcome to YouTube.
Look how massive that is. You can't get anywhere away from it. This is like your traditional thing you'll see down a back street then. You might see a couple of cool cars. There's an Impreza. Then there's a Crown. The Crown is actually kind of interesting. It's nice to see all this stuff in just mundane environments. So this is really cool, right? You kind of just walk down the street and we saw a Toyota Progress. They have like a 1J in them right there. You've got like massive high-rises there. Then you have like an extremely old traditional house here. Look at that. It's fascinating. It's probably been there. Could be there like 80 or 100 years with vending machines on the back of it. So cool. And then over here then we've got a really cool skate spot. And the second I said it I realised that there's signs saying no skating. And the way the fellas stand on the skateboard. Haircut only, Air Force 7. Give me 53. We're at Sensoji Temple and we just put in 100 yen for a fortune. So we have to take a stick out, then the stick is numbered. So then we took something out of the drawer that corresponds with the stick, which is this, which is our fortune. And it says, Fierce 17th. Separation. It's hard to say something bad. Glass of wine. It is a bad fortune.
Oh no!
Oh jeez. The lost article will not be found. The person you are waiting for will not come. Building a new house and removal are not good. Making a trip is bad. Marriage and employment are both bad.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh man. So if you get a bad fortune, like I did, that's terrible. That's after wiping me out of it now. It's my first trip as a solo employed man and I'm after getting a bad omen. Okay. Regular fortune. Your request will be granted.
That's not bad,
Patient
yeah.
will get well, but it will take a little time.
So
Both
exact-
marriage and new employment are well. So I'm going to just
Keep
be
that one, I
just a
think.
happy medium kind of guy. Check it out. It's a mad scene. Got a Shiba Inu, a temple, and a Peugeot 406.
This fella's just screaming out. Look. Get a little drink.
It's mad that we just got our bad fortune. Then we can make it into a good fortune by... Oh, we can't. It doesn't make sense. 5,000 yens. Right, so it's what, like 7 o'clock in the morning. We're going into the Don Quixote shop. It's open 24 hours. If you haven't been to Japan, this is the most banana shop ever. They sell Hot Wheels, food, female cosmetics. They sell used Gucci bags. This is bananas. And there's a jingle that goes on upstairs that lasts less than 30 seconds. And there's some people that work here, and they've probably been here like 10 years. And they're listening to this jingle, and it just keeps looping. The jingle is playing. I have a feeling it's going to be playing. There's also a really weird sound of like sheep band with a theme song in the background. I have no idea what that is. Why am I buying a tiny 7-Eleven truck? Keyrings of sushi. Huh? So it's funny, Japanese shops go from having the most mental music in the world to just like smooth kind of jazz and funk. That seems to be the theme. So every time I come to Japan, I'm super basic about buying stuff. I'll just buy like a can of Coke or something from the vending machine. But I made a promise to myself this time that I would buy weird stuff. So I don't like tea or coffee. For anyone that's wondering, that's why I never drink Boss coffee or all this other shit. I just don't like it. But I will try all the other weirder shit. Like hot corn pottage. Feel it?
Oh.
I don't hate it at all.
Oh my god, I love it.
It's actually lovely.
Wow!
It's mad. Look at those houses. Just like surrounded by the modern world creeping in. I wonder how old that is. So the beautiful thing about walking around the streets here in Tokyo is I just saw a Caldina in somebody's driveway over there, which is basically an events estate for our European friends. And then there's a K12 Mitsuoka Vute just parked here in its natural habitat. Look at this thing. This is gas. It's got like a boot welded onto it, done by Mitsuoka. Look at that. This is one of the weirdest looking things ever. Basically a K12 Nissan Micra made to look like a 1960s Jag, just chilling in its natural habitat. I think one of the simplest things about being Irish and going abroad is just the sun. Just like, we don't see enough sun back home, so even just being over here is lovely. Pure Irish scenes there now, look. This identifies as an IS200, so hilarious. And she's on the 5-spoke sled, the lovely, ugly 5 spokes. Check this out, just after we saw the IS200, Alfa Romeo GT on C28s. I know you don't care, but I'm buzzing off that now. I love the contrast between seeing an IS200. Oh, look at the door. Moss growing underneath it. Fascinating. Must be hard to get a door for one of them over here. See, the start of this trip is for Katie, I guess, because there's like a load of lads coming over, and then there'll be 5 lads talking about cars
And
for
one Katie.
and one girl for like, it's gonna be the worst combo ever. And we got the Mazda Sentia, which is extremely rare. Mad, it's on Mazda speed wheels. Look at them. I think it's nearly just as exciting walking the back streets of any Japanese city and just seeing what appears. Like, I could do this forever. I literally just live over here and walk around and get excited by IS200s, Alphas and fucking Mazda Sentias. And Katie will be you're so excited about seeing a Mazda Sentia as well, aren't you? You love Mazda Sentias so much. Did you like the IS200 Altezza? Good. Pretty old. Look at that E36 M3 just lurking there. Like, we're right where we're staying. This is our home for the week. This lovely spiral staircase. We should show people the roof actually while it's really sunny. Look how narrow the building is. There's our little tiny room with a view. With a Tam Tam hobby shop. I couldn't help myself, but bought a red BN Sports 180SX. Obviously, because I want to build a replica of the Zone 180, and this is probably the closest RC shell you can get. Top line do wheels, which are really similar to the BRs. They look like Nismos, so them with this in red will be pretty cool.
Cool.
This is the start of the fucking stupid purchasing. Isn't it funny that I come to Japan and act like you if you were in a shop in London or somewhere freaking out about clothes, and this is my version of that. This is my therapy. This is what this is. We are in Odaiba. We are?
We are.
This would be a terrible travel vlog if we were travel vlog people. Queen Emeralds. So he's in a manga. Which one? I haven't a clue. So we came to the Sega Joyopolis, but the initial D game's gone out there. Check this out. We have Outrun. What's this on the 4th floor? It's like a museum of 1960s and retro Japanese stuff. On this. So yeah, this place is in the Odaiba Mall. So cool.
So we're just walking down the street, minding our own business, and then we bump into the Asakusa Panda Bus.
It was a bus that was in service from December 2008 to 2016, and the bus returned to Asakusa as a food truck, escaping the danger of being scrapped.
So they were going to scrap it. Why were they going to scrap this? It's the best thing I've ever seen. Look at this person, he doesn't even care about the Panda Bus.
What's that, a little 32? A little Ford or 32? Wow, look at that little tiny lift. Oh, look, they're all looking at the new car. Another little Skyline. Oh, another little 32 four-door.
One else fleet of R30 wagons.
There's a full initial D sequence hiding up the back there, about to go up the mountains. There's the Takumi. That's amazing.
Enjoy small worlds.
Decided to come to Autobacks at Odaiba. Look at this. So cool. So Drift Tengoku is going out of business. This could be one of the last times I will ever buy this in Japan. So we've got option, we've got a Dampachi Fujitsu sticker and Drift Tengoku. So what's happening here? We're ordering sushi and they're coming out on a little conveyor belt.
How did she even do Oh, we get money.
Quality.
They're amazing.
You find all sorts out this hour in the morning. What are you up to? You alright, lads? Look at this. K11 Mitsuoka viewed. Wow, look at the Tokyo Tower. Then look at the Altezza on Advan Model 6s. Nice. Check the parking on the step wagon. Wow, that is 10 out of 10.
The lads are on the way from Ireland. Got Sean, TJ, Barry and my brother Stephen. Me and Katie are leaving this apartment that we're in that smells like feet. I'm gonna miss the view to the Skytree. But yeah, the lads are coming. We're going to a new place. Hopefully the lads enjoy it and aren't too tired. I'm sure they'll be excited when they land. Well, how's it feel to finally get here? Oh my god, lads, look. Turn around. Slammed on the 32 GTR wheels. Like, that is fucking so cool. Beautiful. This is paradise. '90s style. Oh man, that's crazy. So what you think, buddy? First night off the plane and into this. It's good, isn't it? Sean's head is melted. Can't speak. There's the next generation now getting inspired. Look at that. Well, how's your first night? Good.
Stressful, trying to leave and then this turns up.
Yeah, and things just keep arriving.
You're like, oh, let's go, and then just fucking, I don't know, super turns up over there. It's gonna happen again. We're just gonna have to run.
Yeah, there'll always be something arriving, and there'll always be something going, so we'll be back.